Imagine waking up one morning, checking your phone and seeing your bank balance skyrocket overnight. Every opportunity seems to be falling right into your hands, and success follows you like a shadow. What if I told you that your zodiac sign might be the key to unlocking massive wealth in 2025? Astrology isn't just about personality traits, it's about energy, alignment, and financial destiny. In the coming year, 5 zodiac signs are set to experience an extraordinary financial transformation. Is your sign one of them? Stay tuned because 2025 might just be your year of unstoppable wealth. Money, success, and fortune. These are things everyone dreams of. But did you know that the stars might already be working in your favor? Astrology has long been linked to personality, fate, and even financial success. While hard work and smart decisions play a crucial role, some zodiac signs are naturally aligned to attract wealth more easily than others. And in 2025, 5 signs are set to experience a financial breakthrough like never before. With powerful planetary shifts on the horizon, certain zodiac signs will find themselves in the right place at the right time, unlocking doors to new opportunities, unexpected windfalls, and massive career success. If your zodiac sign is on this list, get ready. Your financial life is about to change dramatically. Even if it's not, don't worry. There are ways to tap into this universal energy. So let's dive in and discover the 5 zodiac signs destined for wealth in 2025. What makes a zodiac sign wealthy? Wealth isn't just about luck. It's a combination of mindset, strategy, and cosmic alignment. Some zodiac signs are naturally drawn to financial success due to their traits, ambition, and the way they handle opportunities. But what exactly makes certain signs more likely to attract wealth? Here are the key characteristics of zodiac signs that are financial powerhouses. 1. Ambition and determination. Successful people don't just wish for wealth, they chase it. Signs that are highly ambitious, disciplined, and goal-driven tend to create their own financial success. 2. Risk-taking and leadership. Money flows where confidence grows. Zodiac signs that are natural leaders and willing to take calculated risks often find themselves ahead in business and investments. 3. Strategic and intelligent decision-making. Some signs think 10 steps ahead. These masterminds know how to invest wisely, build financial stability, and make money work for them. 4. Innovation and adaptability. The world is changing fast, and those who embrace new ideas, technology, and business trends are the ones who thrive. Signs that are innovative and adaptable often find financial breakthroughs. 5. Hard work and cosmic timing. While astrology isn't a magic formula for success, planetary influences do affect energy shifts, creating golden opportunities for certain signs at the right time. Many of the world's wealthiest individuals share zodiac signs with strong financial traits. For example, Elon Musk, Cancer, Jeff Bezos, Capricorn, and Bill Gates, Scorpio, all have star signs that give them an edge in business and wealth building. Now let's dive into the 5 zodiac signs that will experience massive financial success in 2025 and explore why this year will be life-changing for them. If your sign is on this list, be prepared. Your biggest money-making year could be just around the corner. The 5 zodiac signs that will attract wealth in 2025. Now let's explore the 5 zodiac signs that are set to experience extraordinary financial success in 2025. These signs have the perfect combination of ambition, luck, and planetary support that will help them unlock massive wealth. Taurus. Why? Taurus naturally attracts wealth. Taurus, ruled by Venus, is a sign deeply connected to luxury, stability, and financial abundance. People born under this sign have an innate ability to build wealth because they are patient, persistent, and highly practical. They don't just chase money, they build lasting financial empires with smart, steady decisions. Why 2025 is a wealth breakthrough year for Taurus. In 2025, Taurus will experience a powerful financial transformation due to major planetary alignments favoring long-term wealth building. Jupiter, the planet of expansion, will boost financial opportunities. Saturn's influence will bring discipline, making Taurus more focused on smart investments. Unexpected financial windfalls may come through real estate, business growth, or even inheritance. How Taurus can maximize their wealth in 2025. Invest wisely. Focus on long-term investments like real estate, stocks, and luxury markets. Expand career horizons. Take on leadership roles or start a business. Embrace calculated risks. While Taurus prefers security, taking smart financial risks will lead to massive gains. If you're a Taurus, 2025 is the year to take bold steps toward financial freedom. Leo. Why? Leo is destined for financial success. Leo, ruled by the sun, shines bright in leadership, confidence, and ambition. Leos don't just dream of wealth, they go after it fearlessly. They are natural-born leaders who thrive in business, entertainment, and high-risk investments. Why 2025 is a game-changing year for Leo. The stars align in 2025 to bring unmatched career and financial growth for Leos. Mars and Jupiter's alignment will supercharge their confidence in making money moves. Opportunities in business, media, and social influence will skyrocket. High-risk, high-reward ventures will finally pay off. How Leo can maximize their wealth in 2025. Take leadership roles. Whether in business or career, step up and take charge. Invest in personal branding. Build a strong public image through media and networking. Be open to new ventures. Whether in cryptocurrency, startups, or stocks, taking bold risks will lead to major rewards. Leo, 2025 is your time to dominate and claim the financial throne. Scorpio. Why Scorpio is a financial genius. Scorpios have a deep strategic mind that makes them masters of financial growth. They know how to turn setbacks into opportunities, and their intense focus helps them make powerful investments. Why 2025 is Scorpio's ultimate wealth year. Scorpio's financial luck in 2025 will come from Pluto's influence, bringing deep financial transformation. Unexpected gains through hidden opportunities, e.g., stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency. Increased intuition, helping them make brilliant financial decisions. How Scorpio can maximize their wealth in 2025. Trust your instincts. Scorpios have a powerful gut feeling when it comes to money. Make smart long-term investments. Think of real estate, technology, or secretive high-yield investments. Avoid emotional decisions. Stay strategic, and don't let emotions drive financial choices. Scorpio, 2025 is your year to build generational wealth through strategic moves. Capricorn. Why Capricorn is a wealth magnet. Capricorn, ruled by Saturn, is one of the most disciplined and success-driven signs. These individuals don't believe in shortcuts. They work hard, stay consistent, and build wealth that lasts for decades. Why 2025 is a massive financial year for Capricorn. Capricorn's dedication will pay off in 2025 due to Jupiter and Saturn's influence, which will open doors for career growth, business expansion, and major promotions that will increase income, new opportunities for financial investments and stability. How Capricorn can maximize their wealth in 2025. Stay focused on career growth. Promotions, leadership roles, and new business opportunities are coming. Invest in long-term wealth. Avoid quick money schemes. Think about building sustainable wealth. Balance work and life. While Capricorns are workaholics, self-care is key to long-term success. Capricorn, 2025 is the year where all your hard work finally pays off. Aquarius. Why Aquarius is a future billionaire. Aquarius, ruled by Uranus, is innovative, forward-thinking, and tech-savvy. They see financial trends before they happen, making them experts in new-age business, startups, and futuristic investments. Why 2025 is the year of financial success for Aquarius. Technology and AI-driven industries will boom, and Aquarius will be ahead of the game. Innovative ideas will finally take off, leading to business breakthroughs. Uranus and Jupiter's influence will bring unexpected financial growth. How Aquarius can maximize their wealth in 2025. Invest in technology and AI startups. The future is digital and Aquarius will thrive in it. Be open to financial risks. Big opportunities will come from bold moves. Use creativity for wealth. Whether in business, content creation, or inventions, innovation will be Aquarius's superpower. Aquarius 2025 is your chance to build wealth by embracing the future. These 5 zodiac signs are set to experience a life-changing financial shift in 2025. If your sign is on this list, prepare for your biggest money-making year. But what if your sign isn't here? Don't worry. There are still ways to align your energy with wealth and success. Let's explore how anyone can attract financial abundance in 2025. How to maximize your wealth in 2025. Even if your zodiac sign wasn't on the top 5 list, you still have the power to attract massive wealth in 2025. While astrology can provide guidance, financial success depends on a combination of mindset, action, and strategy. Here are 3 powerful ways you can align yourself with prosperity and make 2025 your most successful year yet. 1. Shift your mindset. Think like a billionaire. The first step to attracting wealth is believing you are capable of achieving it. Many successful people, regardless of zodiac sign, have a wealth mindset that allows them to recognize opportunities and take action. How to develop a wealth mindset. Visualize success daily. Imagine yourself financially successful and living the life you desire. Surround yourself with growth-oriented people. Connect with individuals who inspire and challenge you to achieve more. Avoid negative money beliefs. If you believe money is hard to get, it will be. Instead, see money as an opportunity for growth and freedom. Billionaires like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Oprah Winfrey all have one thing in common: a relentless belief in their ability to create success. Your mindset is your biggest asset. 2. Make smart investments. Let your money work for you. The rich don't just earn money, they make money work for them through investments. 2025 will be full of financial opportunities, and if you invest wisely, you can significantly grow your wealth. Best investment strategies for 2025: stock market and index funds. Long-term wealth grows through smart stock investments. Real estate. Property remains one of the most powerful ways to build financial security. Technology and AI startups. The future is digital, and investing in innovation can bring huge returns. Cryptocurrency and Web3. While volatile, crypto and blockchain technology continue to open financial doors for many. Even if you start small, begin investing now, and by the end of 2025, you'll see the results. 3. Take action. Success. Favors. Those who move you can have the best astrology predictions, the smartest strategies, and the greatest mindset. But without action, nothing changes. The universe rewards those who take the first step. How to take action in 2025. Start a side business. Even a small side hustle can lead to big financial breakthroughs. Learn high-income skills. Digital marketing, coding, trading, AI, or content creation can open massive financial opportunities. Network and seek opportunities. Connect with like-minded individuals who can help you grow. Eliminate distractions. Focus on long-term financial growth, not short-term pleasure. Final thought. You control your destiny. While astrology can guide you toward financial success, the real power lies in your actions, mindset, and willingness to take smart risks. Whether your zodiac sign was on the list or not, 2025 can still be your best financial year, but only if you make the right moves. 2025 is shaping up to be a life-changing year for wealth and success, especially for Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Capricorn, and Aquarius. These 5 zodiac signs have the perfect alignment of ambition, planetary support, and financial opportunities that will help them attract massive wealth. But remember, astrology is just a guide. The real key to financial success lies in your mindset, investments, and the actions you take. Even if your zodiac sign wasn't on the list, you still have the power to change your financial destiny. By developing a wealth mindset, making smart investments, and taking bold action, you can attract abundance and financial breakthroughs in 2025. The universe rewards those who believe in themselves and take action. Now we want to hear from you. What's your zodiac sign? Do you believe 2025 will be your year of wealth and success? What financial goals are you setting for yourself this year? Drop your answers in the comments below. Let's manifest financial success together. Blast off money sparkles.